Welcome to Addie's Craft Time. Instead of crafting, we're going to do an unboxing video. Today what we are unboxing is a Pet Alive Smitten Kitten. Let's get started.
Ask an adult for help if they need it. You know what I mean? We don't want any kids to say, oh, I saw Addie use scissors.
There we go. Whoa! That's so cute! So cute! Some surprises. Stickers. A guide. Another package. Oh, that's sand. That's sand. There. We got sand. And we got a little bottle.
Go ahead.
It's very white, it's very cute, it's a fun toy. It came with this bottle, it's magic. It came with sand. It came with this. It came with stickers. You might need an adult help because this toy needs batteries. Dad's helping me with this part.
Yeah, we had to find an extra small screwdriver.
Yeah.
For this one.
Yeah. And we got batteries.
There we go.
What kind of batteries does it take?
These are AAA batteries. We got these from Amazon. But
It's put that all up. There we go.
Yeah, these are tiny. They're tiny, but not super tiny. They're the tiniest A battery that you can find.
Yeah.
This part, you should probably get help from your parents on this part.
Yeah. Don't forget to screw it back on. The on and off switch is right here. When you want to turn it on, push it up. Once you turn it on, once you pet it, it purrs. Just give it a second. We're good. It's on. There we go. Once you press on the paw, it makes a lot of fun sounds. I hope you like this Smitten Kitten toy. I hope you like this unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.